Hello, my people. Welcome back. Welcome back. As you saw, it is update time, and this time we're talking about the house, our dream home. As I said, I will be, you're part of the journey, you're part of the fam. Anyway, for those of you that don't know me, my name is, DefinitelyTumi. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And for those of us that are, let me fix my wig. For those of us that, always around to support, I welcome you back. So let's talk about the update of our home. It took a while, but we are here, as you see in the video. We basically, as I said previously, we changed the architecture. The engineer rather, this house expected. But when it comes at you, you're like, oh, again, we know we've got the blocks, as you can see here. But the slab took forever because one, the iron bending took a while, and the house is big. The house is bigger than, the guys were anticipating. Don't know why, because, I always say to my husband, measurements, that's why you have an engineer. Anyway, so we basically have, as you can see here, the team had to work overnight to make sure that, the slab is on point. The stairs, as you can see, is now stable. The guys had to work very hard in terms of making sure that everything is stable, the concrete is going to be set. But before that, as you can see on the video, the actual, I'd say, the protection of basically the wood that we used, those plastic bags that you see there, the black ones started to melt because of the heat and because it just took forever to finish, like everything in terms of wiring and plumbing and, So the engineer then, because he took over from the guy, he had to now replace the plastic bags, the black protection bag with the used cement bags. So you'll see it was an excruciating piece of work because they had to take like bits and pieces. As you can see in this video, it's like, one at a time. So I will be doing a voiceover as I show you the video.
So yes, my people.
Okay,
so
enjoy.
We've got, here the project manager is basically showing us the gravel has finished. She had to go borrow, as if she's borrowing sugar. She said her eyes don't turn because it's a lot of work. This is just the gravel and really a couple of guys. There's a lot of people. And like I said before in my previous videos, is that, Nigerians, for some odd reason, they don't follow, the safety ways of working. I guess it is what it is. This machine, had to be rented to mix all the ingredients, almost like baking, because we're now preparing to do the decking. So we'll see. I was wondering what is that, but they basically mixing and then carrying it up there to get get the slab ready. It's a lot of guys, and as I said, we do have enough water. We have one of the water containers that you see there was rented, but the one we bought, so we need to probably, because at the end of the day we'll have to have one anyway. So I don't know, maybe in the future we'll have to add one. And then you see there's bags and bags of just concrete mixing and making sure, and you saw you've got at the side there, we still have our bricks. My husband actually told me yesterday that we're going to need more. My goodness. more bricks, more blocks uh, in the next couple of days if we're going to do the second floor. But yeah, in the heat, these guys are working very hard, so I appreciate them. I'll hide their faces. Sorry guys, the camera is also a bit shaky. Apologize for that. But I just wanted to see that. So the work that comes with building a home. It's exciting, but it's also worrying at the same time. Yeah. Okay, this was my favorite part. You'll see, as I said, the staircase, it's curved, but there's a second landing at the bottom there. Yeah, I like the length, the width, and then you'll see at the top here, we've got the plumbing is done. Obviously, the project manager is never happy, so she's complaining that the rebar is a bit bent, so she wants them to come back and unbend them. I don't know, but I like his sweetness. So here you go. You can see now. You can see other houses are still being built. Others are completed, but there's a lot of space around us. Actually, this is the engineer that's working. I know she wouldn't do this. I certainly wouldn't do that. It's just showing how stable it's getting there. So yeah, that's the house so far, guys. Excited about that. I'm interested in also seeing. We had to shift the stairs to the other side just to give space. So we'll see how it works. Yeah, we'll see.
Hi guys, you've seen the video. You saw, the challenges that we were faced with. I also have some great news. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drums, please. Drum roll. We are going to Nigeria to, see the house, but also to see family. As you know, I've got a sister-in-law that I've been dying to see. So I'm looking forward to spending time. 30 December, here we come. We'll be spending some time in Casablanca before all things being equal. You know how the world goes, right? But looking forward to it. I will be taking you on a journey, and I was actually thinking about it like I will probably also, involve you in when we do I've got an idea of, I know our house is going to be traditional, modern feel when it comes to design, because my husband and I like the culture, not just the culture. We're not about trends. We're more about, something that will last for a long time. And you'll see even where we live now, it's a bit an old place, but we took a bit of ourselves and just kind of blended this place to, make it feel like home. So I will be taking you on the journey. Yes, you agree? Okay. So please, if you could like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And those of you that haven't subscribed, and there's a lot of you, I'm seeing you, I'm looking at you, as you. Please just subscribe, support the movement. Um, okay, guys. So yeah, we have lots to do suddenly this year. Like I said, we didn't have a lot of plans in terms of our end goals, but we know that there are things that we still need to be, there are things to be done. So that's that. That's the journey. That's me giving you feedback. Also, just as a reminder, we have put together a membership, basically, playing together. So there will be some updates. Obviously, there will be for just members, things like people giving me ideas on what especially those of you that are like into design. I'd like to hear from you in terms of what do you think about the house, what do you think we should do, blah blah. So yeah, stay tuned. Also, yeah, we've got DTH, definitely Tumi Hot Tea on Sundays, 2 p.m. GMT. Yeah, love to hear from you. This week is more about a woman, a bank, and a luxury car, basically. Someone that's challenging the banks. So look out for that. That's one story, as you know. I leave the other one to be a surprise. So we will be sending an invite out. So be on the lookout for that. My team and I are working very hard, people. We've got also, um, our our store as well. So a couple of things. We have lipstick that we want to also launch. There's a lot happening. So we'll be on the lookout for that. My people, I will see you on the next one. As always, take care. Have a good one. Ciao.